In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a VPN on Facebook dating. First, you'll need to install a trusted VPN app. There are many options available, but it's crucial to choose one that is reliable and well-reviewed. Look for apps with strong encryption and a good reputation for privacy. This is important because a trustworthy VPN keeps your data secure and protects your online identity. Once you've found the VPN app you want, head over to your device's app store and download it. This process should only take a few moments. Once the app has been installed, it's time to open the VPN app. You should see the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping on the icon will launch the application, and you will be greeted with the app's main interface. Here you may see various options and settings, but don't worry, you will only need to focus on the essential features to get started. Opening the app is straightforward, and it sets the stage for the next steps. Now that the app is open, you will need to sign in to your VPN account. If you are a new user, you might have to create an account first. This typically involves entering your email and setting a password. Signing in is vital because it allows you to access all the features the VPN has to offer. After entering your credentials, tap the Sign In button. You will usually see a loading screen that indicates your account is being verified. Next, you will want to select a server in the country you want. This is a crucial step because the server location determines your virtual location. Look through the list of available servers and choose one that suits your needs. If you are looking to connect with users in a specific country, select a server located there. This helps you appear as if you're browsing from that location, which can enhance your experience on Facebook dating. After selecting your desired server, tap the Connect button. This action will initiate the connection process. You may see a status indicator that shows the connection progress. It's essential to wait for this connection to be established. This step is important because a secure connection is what allows you to browse safely and privately. Once you've waited until the VPN is connected, you will receive a confirmation that you are now connected. You can usually see a notification or an indicator on the app that shows your current status. This confirmation is a reassuring sign that your internet connection is secure and that your data is being protected. Now you're ready to go. With the VPN connected, open the Facebook app. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping the Facebook icon will take you to your news feed where you can access all features of the app. This is the point where you can start to utilize Facebook dating while keeping your information private. Now tap the dating option within the app. This feature is usually found in the main menu of Facebook. Once you tap on it, it will take you to the dating section where you can create or manage your dating profile. This step is exciting as it allows you to explore potential matches while using the protection of your VPN. It's essential to note that Facebook dating also uses your phone's GPS location. Therefore, a VPN alone may not change your dating location. If your VPN location and your phone's location don't match, you may encounter a location mismatch error. This can be frustrating, but understanding it helps you navigate any potential issues you might face. If you find that Facebook dating isn't working, try disconnecting the VPN. Sometimes VPN use can interfere with the service. This action can resolve issues and help you access Facebook dating seamlessly. Knowing this can save time and enhance your overall experience. Following these steps will allow you to use a VPN on Facebook dating effectively. Enjoy your dating experience while keeping your privacy intact.